Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Jabra Elite 75T headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable prioritize Bluetooth sound when a call. At first we have to open our app and then we have to click on this gear icon over here. Now we have to click on headset settings and after that we have to go straight into call experience. Now you have to go at the bottom and here is prioritize Bluetooth device with call. Prioritize the connected Bluetooth device with an active call, ensuring the optimal audio quality and wireless range. All other Bluetooth devices will be temporarily disconnected during the call. When the call is completed, all Bluetooth devices that were disconnected will be reconnected. You just have to enable this option by clicking on this switch over here. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.